So the first thing you need to know when they ask you what is the product of its prime numbers, of in Afrikaans sy produk van sy priemfaktore, that is very easy. So let's say I ask you the product of its prime numbers for 50. Okay. So they say show all your steps, wys al jou stappe. So dan moet jy 50 vat en ons doen net gou die priemnommers. Ek gaan gou pause. Okay, so nadat ek my priemfaktore uitgewerk het, then I have 2 goes into 50, 25 times, 5 goes into 25, 5 times, and 5 goes into 5 once. Just always remember you have to use the prime numbers in this order. If you don't, you will make mistakes. So first the 2, then the 3, then the 5, then the 7, then the 11. They don't normally easily go up to 17, but then you know it at least. You have to know those. So first was to write down the number. Second was to do the prime ladder. And then you would write down 2 times 5 times 5. Now, this can be written in another way, which is the power of 2. So that would be your 3 marks. So you can practice that. You can take certain numbers, any numbers, and just give you the prime numbers as a factor for those numbers that you just decided on. Now we're going to look at the HCF. Now, in the test, you will find a new name that says greatest common divisor, but it's the greatest common factor or the highest common factor. So the HCF, that is what we know the name to be, the highest common factor. And how would you get this? By working out a number's factors. So let's take, for example, let's take 55 and 66. Okay. So to work out the highest common factor, or in Afrikaans grootste gemeene deler, in Afrikaans bly dit dieselfde, GG. Let me just write this Afrikaans kids as well. GGD, grootste gemeene deler. In English, highest common factor or the greatest common divisor. Same thing. So first you will need to go and work out the factors for these two numbers. So I worked out factors for 55 obviously is 1 and 55 and then 11 and 5. Factors for 66 is then 1, 66, and then you go half of 66 is 33, and then half of 33 is 22, and half of 22 is 11, and then your 6, your 3, and your 2. So they said the highest common factor. So that means the highest number that they share. So die grootste getal wat hulle deel. And that would be 11. So your answer is not finished if you wrote that. Underneath, you then just have to say HCF, and HCF is 11, of GGD 11. So take these numbers and work out the HCF in them for me, the GGD. So vat 15 en 45, vat vir my 20 en 30, 16, 24, ek gaan dink hierso, 28 and 42. Okay, so met al die getalle, give me the HCF doing this and doing it in this way, and then you can call me to look at your work. These two summaries, these two paragraphs were in your summaries. You need to know the characteristics of how to identify a rational number, a rationale getal. Make sure you study this and know this.